Hi everyone, thanks for jumping into the channel again. If you could just leave a like on the video, comment down below, and yeah, if you can subscribe to the channel to really help it get started and grow, that'd be really great. Just wanted to jump into the Bitcoin USD chart just to start off with. So first thing that I've kind of noticed is that we've got this sort of W pattern here forming. That's already formed, and that we've kind of been able to break through, which has been really great. And this is kind of held up as support. It's a previous kind of level of support. We've had all the way back over a month ago that you can see here. We've just been kind of going up and down and up and down, and we've been able to be in this kind of ascending channel, if you like. So that's been really good, and finally we have been able to break through this kind of 48.2 level of resistance support that we've been having for quite a while. Actually, you can see all the way back over here. A couple of weeks ago was the first time when we broke through it most recently, and we're able to kind of come up to the 50,000. Unfortunately, we actually got rejected. If we just take a quick measurement, the first time that we've done this is we'd about a 7.5% retracement, but then again from this level all the way back down to just a couple of days ago, again there was a 7.5, 7, 8% retracement that we've seen. So what I'm really hoping is that actually this now that we've had these kind of two 7.5% retracements, and like I was saying just before, we've been able to keep this level of support and move on, which is really bullish pattern, and it's something that's getting a lot of people noticing, and they're very excited about it. Like I was kind of saying previously, we have this kind of descending channel that we've been seeing. Recently we had 1, 2, 3 times where we weren't actually able to hold it as support, and unfortunately we did kind of come straight back down. Even when we got kind of just above it, we got rejected all the time. But like I was saying, this over here is the second time that we've held this sort of 7.5% retracement by Bitcoin, which is really pleasing, because now what it's meant is that we've actually been able to flip this line of 48.2 K, and we're coming into this really interesting area now for Bitcoin. It's this kind of wedge here, so it's between the 48.2 and the 50,000 mark. What we're hoping is that worst case scenario, and of course this is just my opinion, we would be able to kind of hold this as a support. So that's the first thing. The second thing that we'd be looking for is to again kind of hold this 48.2 thousand level of resistance. But as we said over here, and we had this kind of this level of support here, hopefully we could actually even hold this level of support and get those higher lows. What we do of course want is to flip the 50,000, currently trading at 50,476, and have this as support. For so long we've been kind of not able to flip this, but maybe with some weekend price action we can flip the 50,000, this level up here, previous kind of local high, and now maintain that as a support level. As I was saying before, there's been a couple of times, firstly over here and then over here, where this we had these sort of 8%, 7.5, 8% retracements, which will be really good to hopefully very bullish pattern. And what I've been kind of looking at and hoping is that when we can kind of flip this, I mean, you look at this and could be going into the mid 50,000s potentially. It's not financial advice, it's just my opinion, but there's not a lot of nothing really above us now, and it's going to be, kind of really going back over to, you know, yeah, potentially some level there at 51.5, but really it's going to be going, now clear skies to the all-time highs, hopefully potentially something over here, 53, maybe 55,000, but yeah, let's speculate on that if and when the time comes. But like I was saying, flipping this kind of W pattern and getting above, right close to the 50,000 was really bullish, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be clear skies. Yeah, so yeah, please do drop a like on the video, comment down below, and definitely subscribe to the channel.